Diane had always loved back-to-school shopping with her mom. It was their special tradition, a time to bond over new notebooks and pencils, and pick out the perfect outfit for the upcoming school year. But this year was different. Diane had just turned 16, and she was eager to assert her independence. She wanted to shop on her own, without her mom's constant hovering. As they entered the crowded department store, Diane's mom gave her a gentle nudge. "You go ahead and look around, dear," she said. "I'll meet you at the checkout when you're ready." Diane nodded and set off on her own, determined to find everything she needed without any help. She wandered through the racks of clothes, her eyes scanning the labels and prices. She had a budget of $500, and she was determined to make it last. As she tried on outfit after outfit, Diane began to feel a sense of liberation. She was making her own choices, without her mom's input or approval. But as the hours passed, Diane started to feel overwhelmed. The store was huge, and she had no idea where to find anything. She wandered up and down the aisles, her backpack growing heavier with each passing minute. Just when she thought she would never escape, she spotted a familiar face, her best friend, Emily, who was working at the store's information desk. "Hey, Diane," Emily called out, waving her over. "What are you doing here?" "Just shopping for school," Diane replied, relieved to have found a friendly face in the sea of strangers. "I'm trying to do it all on my own this year." Emily nodded sympathetically. "Yeah, I know how that is. But don't worry, I'm here to help. Let me show you some of the best deals in the store." With Emily's guidance, Diane was able to find everything she needed and stay within her budget. She left the store feeling proud and independent, knowing that she had successfully navigated the world of back-to-school shopping on her own. But as she walked home with her mom, she realized that she had missed out on a special moment, the chance to spend quality time with her mother, just the two of them. As they walked, Diane's mom put a gentle hand on her shoulder. "You know, honey, I might have been a little worried about you shopping alone today," she said. "But I'm so proud of you for trying something new and being independent. And next year we can do it together again, okay?" Diane smiled, feeling grateful for her mom's understanding and love. She knew that she would always cherish these special moments with her mother, no matter how old she got or how much she wanted to assert her independence. What was Diane's goal for back-to-school shopping this year? Diane's goal was to shop on her own, without her mom's constant hovering. She wanted to assert her independence and make her own choices. How did Diane feel as she wandered through the crowded department store? At first, Diane felt overwhelmed and unsure of where to find anything. But as she continued shopping, she started to feel a sense of liberation and independence. What was Emily doing at the store's information desk? Emily was working at the store's information desk, and she recognized Diane and offered to help her find the best deals in the store. How did Diane feel as she left the store with her mom? Diane felt proud and independent for successfully navigating the world of back-to-school shopping on her own. But she also realized that she had missed out on a special moment with her mother, and she was grateful for her mom's understanding and love. What did Diane's mom say to her as they walked home? Diane's mom put a gentle hand on her shoulder and said, "You know, honey, I might have been a little worried about you shopping alone today, but I'm so proud of you for trying something new and being independent, and next year we can do it together again, okay?"